Hello everyone, today I am working on the PowerPoint presentation Omega Diagnostic workshop. So let's move on the project step. Moving to the step 1, I have to a title slide. I have to read the comments from the Miguel Sandoval and respond to them as follows. So I will respond to this comment as this. I click comment and then I respond the comment. Then I have to recolor the picture on the left using blue gray SN5 light. So I'll go to picture format, color, recolor, blue gray SN3, SN5, SN5 light. Then on moving to the step 2, on title slide I have to insert this comment. So I'll copy this comment. So I'll go to new comment and I'll insert this. Then moving to the step 3, on title slide I have to customize the font used in the presentation by selecting Tahoma as the body font to display a more distinctive combination of fonts. Title slide, so this is the body font, so I have to select Tahoma. Then moving to the step 4, on the slide 2 I have to send the third lavender circle to the back to reveal the number 3 in blue circle. So I'll go to shape format and send to back. Then moving to the step 5, remaining on slide 2, I have to switch to slide master view and then change the background style for the title layout only to style 1. I'll go to slide master view and then change the background style for the title only layout to style 1. So this is the title only layout, so I'll change the style to style 1. Background style, this is the style 1. And then still in the slide master view I have to create a custom slide layout as follows. So I have to duplicate the two content layout.
If you would like to avail the complete answer or get other project works completed, please contact us on our email or WhatsApp. Our website is essayserviceusa.com. Email us at essayserviceusa@gmail.com or reach us on WhatsApp at +1 34 3321 3276.
This is the two content layout, so I have to duplicate it and then use 3 content as the name of new layout. So I'll duplicate the layout and then rename it as the 3 content. And then resize the content placeholder on the left to the height of 4.6 and width of 5.4. So I'll go to shape format, 4.6 and 5.4. And then resize the content placeholder on the right to the height of 2.2 and width of 5.4. Height of 2.2 and width of 5.4. Then I have to align the bottom of Firstly, I have to insert a new, resize the content placeholder on the right to 2.2 and just a second. Then I have to resize the, insert a new content placeholder below the content placeholder just you resize. So I have to insert a new content placeholder. Here. And then resize the new content placeholder to the height of 2.2 and width of 5.4. So I'll go to shape point format and 2.2 and width of 5.4. And then align the bottom of the new content placeholder with the bottom of the content placeholder placed on the left. And then align the right side of the new content placeholder with the right side of the content placeholder placed above it. Like this. Then I have to close the slide master view. Then moving to the step 7, on slide 3, I have to modify the animations applied to the text boxes as follows. I have to select the 4 number text boxes. Slide 3.
If you would like to avail the complete answer or get other project works completed, please contact us on our email or WhatsApp. Our website is essayserviceusa.com. Email us at essayserviceusa@gmail.com or reach us on WhatsApp at +1 343321 3276.
And change the text to dim to gray after animation. So I have to select all the text boxes and then go to animation and then dim to gray. Okay. Then moving to the step 8, on slide 4, I have to embed the word table as follows. So I have to open the Word document. So I'll open this Word document. And then I copy this. and then paste it on the slide 4 using destination style. So this is the slide 4. I'll paste this using the destination style and then close the Word document. Then still on slide 4, I have to format the table as follows. So I have to change the font size to 18 points for the entire table. To select the and then go to home and change the font size to 18 points. And then I have to resize the table to height of 4.5 and width of 11. So I'll go to table layout and resize to 4.4 and width of 11. And then align the table in the center of the slide. Then moving to the step 10 remaining on slide 4, I have to format the header rows as follows. So I have to merge the second, third and fourth cell in row 1.
If you would like to avail the complete answer or get other project works completed, please contact us on our email or WhatsApp. Our website is essayserviceusa.com. Email us at essayserviceusa@gmail.com or reach us on WhatsApp at +1 34 3321 3276.